Hi, I would like to talk about the exercise I create called the spiritual dance with Qi. Originally, I create this exercise, Qigong exercise, during COVID-19, in March, February, March, and April. Primarily, I create this for myself. And I have arthritis on both of hips, and I had one surgery, total hip replacement on my left, and the right side also needed surgery. But I thought, wait a minute, let me see what I can do to help myself. So I created this theory, Qigong Theory, to help myself, help my muscle strength, help my flexibility, help my balance, and it worked. It worked just so well for my own health. And my muscle strength improved, my balance improved, and my energy improved. It just feels so good. So then I thought, what about if I share with my students, see what they like, see what they think about this exercise, Qigong exercise. So I taught 6 weeks this Qigong form. I got the best comment from my students about this Qigong form. So therefore, the spiritual dance with Qi is the #1, the best exercise for balance, strength, flexibility, mental focus, and being grounded. So I highly recommend you to try this exercise. Chapter 1 for this year, Chapter 2 for next year, and Chapter 3 come after. Thank you.